There is breaking news now on Fox News Channel. This storm has just made landfall. It's made landfall along Tyndall Parkway and Davis Beach. This is the front end of the eye of the storm, and right now along this tiny stretch of land just west of Davis Beach, they are now in the Eyewall. We can report it because this is live weather radar that is perfectly specific, and we now know that the landfall has been made just west of Davis Beach along Tyndall Parkway or Highway 30. Highway 98 will be getting the Eyewall now. And right now here, the very worst of this storm, whenever you have a storm like this, the upper right quadrant, if you're around storm, that's the worst every single time. And that's where the worst is. Davis Beach, Mexico Beach just got it, Tyndall Parkway, Farmdale, Allenton, Bayou Point, and all of East Bay, which is just around Tyndall Air Force Base. This eye is about to come over. And we had said it looks like Panama City is going to get clipped by this, and it now appears we were right. Parker and Callaway, the western side of the eye of this storm, appear to be headed right for you. The eastern side all the way over to Overstreet, Highway 22. The storm has made landfall. We have not yet gotten the alert from the National Hurricane Center, but the radar does not lie. The storm has made landfall, and the next hour is going to be crucial for people down to Mexico Beach and Port St. Joe and areas for 100 miles in all directions.